This particular AutoCAD Essential Training course is not the only course in the library that allows you to develop your AutoCAD skills. There are further courses available. Now, the prerequisite courses that you should take for AutoCAD, as I've mentioned previously, are Learning AutoCAD and the AutoCAD Essential Training course. And you need to take these to get that good all-round knowledge of AutoCAD. However, AutoCAD does have 7 specialized toolsets. These include the electrical toolset, the mechanical toolset, and the architecture toolset, and other toolsets as well. As I mentioned, there are 7. Do the prerequisite courses first. So do your Learning AutoCAD, followed by the AutoCAD Essential Training, this course. Then you've learnt the basics and essentials of AutoCAD first. Then you can start thinking about going on to the AutoCAD toolset courses in the LinkedIn Learning Library.